Budh Graha, Mercury, is one among the Navagrahas, 9 planets, as per Hinduism. The movement of Budh Graha in a horoscope is very important in Hindu astrology. The story of the birth of Buddha is of great importance as the story also gives suggestions regarding women's freedom to move away from a bad marriage. Wednesday is regarded as the day of Budh. Budh is the son of sage Brihaspati and Tara, but he was fathered by Chandra, the Hindu moon god. Sage Brihaspati was the guru of the Devas, and he was only interested in rituals and studies. The sage never showed any interest in Tara. A delusioned Tara soon fell in love with Chandra and abandoned her husband. Indra, the king of Devas, once decided to conduct a yagna to get stronger to face the asuras or demons. Sage Brihaspati used this as an opportunity and said that he can only perform the yagna with his wife by his side. The Devas were divided on the issue. Some saw no reason in Tara returning to a husband who only needed her for rituals. They argued that Tara should remain with Chandra, who valued her as a living being. But the Devas could not stop the yagna. So Indra decided that Tara should return to Brihaspati. Tara returned reluctantly and the yagna was completed successfully. But soon it was discovered that Tara was pregnant. Both Chandra and Brihaspati claimed to be the father. Tara kept quiet, but as the debate raged, the unborn child cried out and wanted to know who his father was. All that gathered there were amazed by the desire of the child. The gods declared that he will be Budh, the lord that rules the intellect. Tara answered to Budh that Chandra was his father. Sage Brihaspati could not tolerate the events and he cursed that the child that Chandra fathered will be neither male nor female but a neutral gender. Indra, who witnessed this event, scolded Sage Brihaspati and said that Budh will be known as Sage's son. From that day, it was decided no matter who fathered the child will always be known as the son of the husband. Tara in due course gave birth to Budh, that is Mercury. It is said that rigorous worshipping of Buddha can receive blessings for progeny, grains, and cattle wealth. Moreover, it also says that Budh is the god of the stars and has the power to stop the misdeeds of the enemies. The text compares the form of Budh to that of Lord Vishnu, one among the Trinity. The sacred text, Buddha Kavacham, describes Buddha as pious and kind. The text also hails Buddha as a guardian of health who offers protection from all kinds of diseases and sorrows. It is also believed that reciting or hearing the chants makes any person victorious. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content.